Go for it.
This is the Cambridge staircase filler block. It works with both matrix and Viking wall. It is designed to take the place of the aggregate backfill when you're building your steps. It will save you time and labor over compacting the aggregate base. The other benefit of this system is it will prevent any shrinking. It'll prevent any settling. I'll say settling. All right. This is the Cambridge 6-inch staircase filler block. It works with the matrix and the Viking retaining wall systems. This block is designed to take the place of the aggregate backfill or the aggregate infill that you would use when constructing steps. The benefit of this block is it saves you time and labor over compacting that aggregate base, and it will prevent any settling that can occur with that aggregate base. That will prevent you callbacks on the job, which costs you time and money. This is our Cambridge staircase filler block. It works with both Cambridge matrix and Viking wall systems. This filler block takes the place of the aggregate backfill in your steps. Once you're working off a level, graded area, use the block in place of your aggregate backfill. The benefit to you, the contractor, is no callbacks for settling. I lost it though. This is our Cambridge 6-inch This is our Cambridge 6-inch staircase filler block. It works with both the matrix and the Viking wall systems. This block is designed to take the place of the aggregate backfill you would use when building a set of steps. Once you're working off a level area, use this block in place of the aggregate. I'm getting lost.
Your first take was good.
Cambridge 6-inch staircase filler block. It's designed to work with both matrix and Viking wall systems. This block will take the place of the aggregate backfill that you use behind your stairs. It'll save you time and money in compacting that aggregate. It will also save you callbacks. If an aggregate settles and your steps move, you, the contractor, are going to be called back. Once you're working off a well-graded... Jeff, how would you say it?
One of the big things we found at Cambridge is guys complaining about staircases over time settling from using the aggregate in the backfill. A product that we have for this year is filler block. It's a value to the contractor and to the job. One screed, one base. Your entire staircase is one system on block. Yeah, there's a better way to do it.
When you're ready.
How many job sites have you gone to where staircases have settled over time because somebody used either stone dust or aggregate that ended up leaking out or the compaction wasn't correct? With the filler block from Cambridge, what you're able to do is have one base, one compaction, and the rest of the staircase is built on solid block. If there is any movement over time, the whole system moves together.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Another value to the Cambridge filler block, beyond using it for one system as far as one base, is for the guys that use retaining wall block to backfill. That's a costly way to build staircases. Now you're substituting a much more cost-effective product instead of using expensive retaining wall block to build this whole system out of block. No?
Take two.
For the contractors out there that build steps out of block, this is a much more cost-effective way to build it because you're not spending money with this expensive, you don't want to call it expensive, you don't want to scare the guy. Two more valuable points about the filler block is one, as you're building the staircase, you're using a much more cost-effective unit to build the staircases instead of using retaining wall block to build the steps. The other is the amount of time and labor you save versus backfilling with aggregate.